Before buying an elliptical machine, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Putnam Underdesk Elliptical, priced at $109.99. What caught my eye was its compact design and the promise of being quiet enough for home or office use. If you want a low-impact workout option that fits under your desk, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Putnam offers both manual and auto modes with 12 adjustable speeds, allowing you to customize your workout. Whether you want to strengthen your legs or just keep moving during long hours at your desk, the adjustable pedal direction can really target different muscle groups effectively. Plus, it has a lightweight design, only 12.7 pounds, that makes it super easy to move around. Now, some people complained about the remote control not coming with batteries, which honestly surprised me. Here's the thing though, once you get past that, the convenience of remote control is a game changer for seniors or anyone with mobility issues. This is perfect for you if you're working from home and need to stay active without leaving your desk. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-intensity workout machine. At this price, it's a solid option for keeping active. Now, if the remote issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its built-in features.
Product number 2, GeoNeo Underdesk Elliptical. We have the GeoNeo Underdesk Elliptical, which is super budget-friendly at $59.99. Its lightweight and compact nature stood out to me. If you're looking for something affordable to get your legs moving while you work, this one's worth checking out. What makes this model special is its dual modes. You have the option for manual adjustments with 12 speeds, or you can use one of the 3 preset automatic modes. That versatility means you can tailor your workout to what you need on any given day. Plus, it runs quietly and has a built-in LCD display to track your progress in real time. However, some users mentioned that the build quality felt a bit cheap. I'll be real with you, if you're expecting gym-level durability, this may not be it. But for casual users looking to stay fit at home, it's a minor concern. This is perfect for you if you're a senior or an office worker needing a gentle workout. Skip this one if you're after something more robust and heavy-duty. For the price, it really delivers. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better if you want a fully assembled product. Product number 3, Gukter Underdesk Elliptical. The Gukter Underdesk Elliptical is a great choice for those who want something that's ready to use right out of the box. Its fully assembled delivery really caught my attention, making it perfect for anyone who isn't too handy. This machine also boasts both manual and automatic modes with 12 adjustable speeds. The pedals can move in both directions, allowing for a more comprehensive workout that engages different muscle groups. It's designed to be low impact, making it ideal for seniors or anyone in rehabilitation. Plus, it operates under 15 decibels, so you can use it anywhere without disturbing others. However, some users pointed out that it could be a bit wobbly when used at higher speeds. Here's the deal. If you're just planning light workouts, that wobble might not bother you at all. This is perfect for you if you want something that's user-friendly and requires no setup. Skip this if you're looking for something to really push your limits. For the price, it's a fantastic choice for easy fitness. Now, if being pre-assembled matters to you, wait till you hear about the next one.
Product number 4, Cursor Fitness Underdesk Elliptical. At $69.99, I was drawn to its sleek design and low-impact claim. If you need a gentle way to stay active, this machine could be exactly what you're looking for. This model features a unique design that mimics natural walking, which means it's gentle on your joints while still providing a solid workout. It has 12 automatic programs and a real-time LCD monitor that keeps track of your progress. Plucked size makes it easy to store and transport. One downside I noticed is that it might not offer enough resistance for more experienced users. If you're someone who's used to high-intensity training, this might feel a bit too easy. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something simple to maintain your fitness while sitting. Skip this if you're an advanced athlete. For the price and the ease of use, it's worth considering. Now, if you're looking for something a little more versatile, the next one might just fit the bill.
Product number 5, Sunny Health and Fitness Underdesk Bike. We have the Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Underdesk Bike for $62.98. I love that it offers dual functionality for both arms and legs. If you want a versatile option that allows you to mix things up, this could be your pick. The design is compact and perfect for small spaces, and the digital monitor tracks all your essential workout metrics. The silent resistance feature is great for maintaining focus while working or enjoying some downtime. Plus, it's lightweight, making it easy to move around. However, some users found the resistance adjustment a bit limiting. Honestly, if you're someone who enjoys pushing yourself, this might be a shortcoming. This is perfect for you if you want a simple device for casual use at work or home. Skip this if you're looking for something that offers intense resistance. For what you're getting, it's a solid value. In summary, whether you're after something compact, budget-friendly, or versatile, there's a solid elliptical for everyone in this list.
So, to wrap it all up, we've covered the Putnin for its compact design, the Geo Neo for its affordability, the GU GTT-R for its assembly ease, the Cursor Fitness for its gentle workout options, and the Sunny Health for its versatility. Each of these choices brings something unique to the table, making it easier than ever to stay active at home or in the office. Pick the one that fits your needs best.